And a little quick tip when removing furniture hardware, always make sure that you put it in a little plastic container or a little baggie of some sort and keep it all together while you're working on your piece. I cannot tell you how many times I've started working on a piece of furniture, removed the hardware, left it on a counter. It gets moved around on the counter because I'm pulling out my paints or my stains, and I end up losing the original screws that go with it, or I end up losing a knob somewheres. And it drove me crazy. So I actually started putting all the hardware into one spot every time I start a new furniture makeover. And I can't tell you the hassles that it saved me. It's a time saver because now I don't have to rush around looking for it at the last minute.